What is going on, guys? It's Arjun Racing back here with another YouTube video, and today we have this the HKS Toyota Supra, Toyota GR Supra from MiniGT. I'm super pumped to get this. I just bought this and I was just so excited. I thought, you know what, let's just do the unboxing right now, create a YouTube video for you guys to enjoy, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, always remember, as usual, remember to like, subscribe, and follow me for more awesome content here on YouTube as well as TikTok. The link is in the description below. But without further ado, let us begin. So we're just gonna quickly cut open the sides. So it does come with this like plastic case here, which I guess it really protects the box as well. For most of us collectors out there, we all know that collecting the box itself has its own value, and that by itself is an amazing thing. So we just gonna slip it right open, and there you go. So this is the box. Super pumped to have this in my collection, and in a bit I'll show you guys the inside as well. And there you go, the box opens right up. It's simple, and you can get a little glimpse of the vehicle. This plastic case, it actually came with the Bugatti Vision GT that I had. I'll have a link to that video as well in the description, as well as the banner at the top. But yeah, it comes with a similar protective case, so really amazing. I think this is one of the best things the MiniGT does, because it really protects the car. There are great huge arcs here as well, that really arches here as well, and it really protects in the car and keeps it in tips of condition. Because after all, this car, they are quite expensive. You know, this cost me about $25 here in Singapore, and I got it from ToySpace. I will leave a link to that in the description as well. So without further ado, let us dive right into the vehicle. So and there you go. So ladies and gentlemen, I present to you the Toyota GR Supra by HKS. So right off the bat, you can see that color variation from the red and the whole all black color and the red rims, but we're gonna get back to that in a bit. So let's just start from the front as well. So the front, we have Toyota logo right there. We have the lip, really menacing headlights, really amazing little detail. I really love them. You can see the grills here, the grills as well. Yeah, really amazing. One thing MiniGT really does well is the attention to details, which I really think is awesome. Here I just want to point out that this side mirror is actually made of rubber, so I guess this is good because, you know, they're really small pieces. They're really small pieces, and you don't really want to break them if they're hard. So the fact that it's rubber, I think, is amazing. From the side, we get a better view of the entire vehicle, and yeah, just look at that. The red rims, tires spin really well. I mean, it's a MiniGT. It's not really a Hot Wheels car. It does make sense that it doesn't spin as well as I thought it would, but regardless, it's amazing. We have a few stickers right here as well. We have the Advent Bright HKS, as well as the Endless sticker, and here we have the Advent Racing GT decal right as well. Yeah, it's super amazing. It's a plain black paint. Nothing much there, but yeah, I think this really caught my eye in the shop, and I thought I really have to have this, because the attention grabber is these red rims right here, and I think this is really nice. Really amazing color, really makes the wheels pop out, which I think is amazing. And one other thing I want to really point out, you guys can see, look at this carbon fiber. I don't know what you want to call it, dark lit, or it's an aero mod, right? So it helps with like aerodynamics and makes the car go a little faster, I guess. So just a little information for this vehicle. For a stock GR Supra, it actually makes about 250 horsepower with 400 Newton meter of torque. It's not a really fast car, unfortunately. It does 0 to 100 kilometers per hour, 0 to 60 in about 5.2 seconds, and top speed of 250 kilometers per hour. Now back to this. So this really is okay, you can see it from this angle. You know, it's an additional feature here. I think it really looks amazing. It's a very quirky little piece of detail, which I just thought this is a great addition to my collection. And now we're gonna move on to the back. Girth Nation, welcome back to the channel. I mean, come on, look at that. How girthy can this get? I mean, the amazing wide body, you know, with this huge massive spoiler. And if you guys can see, the exhaust tips are actually blue, and that's really very nice, and it's a very nice attention. You can actually see from here, very nice detail to the logo, the Endless, as well as right here we have the Hype Max decal, HKS decal right here, and here is the stoplight, almost like the Formula 1 kind of thing. Yeah, look at the spoiler, really amazing, really nice spoiler. And yeah, I think I'm super pumped. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. Do you think this is worth buying? I think this is absolutely worth, and I think this is worth of my money. So this on the I believe is the driver's side. It's just same from the passenger side that I just showed you right now. The wheels are there, and maybe you can. I'm just gonna try to see the driver, so you can see the steering wheel like right there, the dashboard, and yeah, really amazing. It's nothing much in the front as there is at the back. I mean, look at that once again. I mean, come on, you gotta appreciate the girthiness of this vehicle. Extraordinary little vehicle. I'm super pumped, super amped to have this in my collection. And yeah, so let's just have a look at the top. So right here, it's how the top. This would be nicer. Very girthy vehicle, super nice. And let's just look at the base. So in the base right here, we have the MiniGT logo right there, made in China. And one thing I really appreciate about MiniGTs is they actually put a lot of details in the base of the car. I mean, I'm sure many people don't really look at the base, you know, when they place in their collections, but to have the touch is amazing, you know. And you can see like the exhaust pipe right here that goes out to the blue lids. And yeah, really amazing little detail at the bottom. You can also see there is this wheel. This is a purple, like maroon color arc there as well. I think that's just the wheel attachment. Nothing much. Yeah, but really amazing intricate detail at the base. It really shows the amount of work MiniGT puts into the cars. And I think it's really worth the $25, you know, that you spend to get one of these. So let me know, once again, let me know in the comments below, guys, what you guys thought about this car. I think this is insanely amazing. I super love it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the rest of the video. I'm going to do a few rolling shots as usual, and it's really a common trend here on my channel. And yeah, let me know what you guys thought. And there you go. And just like this video is over, guys, I hope you once again had an amazing time watching me talk about this car. I sure had a lot of fun. I'm super pumped to have this in my collection. Once again, guys, thank you so much for your time. If you guys have it, for all of you right there, please right now, please remember to like, subscribe, and follow me for more awesome content here on YouTube as well as TikTok. The link once again is in the description below. But just like that, guys, this video is over and I'm out. Bye.